How to customize any WordPress theme without coding. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize any WordPress theme without writing a single line of code. This guide is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. Step 1. Access the WordPress Customizer. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. In your dashboard, go to Appearance and then Customize. This will open up the WordPress customizer where you can make changes in real time and see a live preview. Step 2. Customize site identity. In the customizer, look for site identity. Here, you can edit your site title and tagline. These show up in your browser tab and are important for branding. If you have a logo, you can upload it here. You can also add a site icon or favicon, which is the small icon that appears in the browser tab next to your site name. Step 3. Change colors and fonts. Many themes have a color section where you can adjust the color scheme of your website. Customize the background color, head color, and link colors to match your brand. Go to the typography section if available. Here, you can choose different fonts for your headings, body text, and other elements without needing CSS. Play around with bold or italic styles and adjust font sizes to find a combination that suits your aesthetic. Step 4. Customize header and menu. Look for header options. You may have choices like left aligned, center, or full width headers. Some themes offer specific layouts, so try a few options to see what fits best. Add a navigation menu. Go to the menu section where you can create a menu for your site. Click Create Menu and name it like Main Menu. Select pages, posts, or categories you want in your menu. You can rearrange the order by dragging items or creating drop-downs by nesting them under main items. Step 5. Edit homepage and blog layout. You can choose a static or dynamic homepage. Under homepage settings, choose whether your homepage should display your latest posts, which is dynamic, or a specific page, which is static. For a more professional look, select a static page as your homepage and assign another page as your blog. Customize the homepage sections. If your theme includes a homepage or front page section in the customizer, you can enable or disable different sections such as hero images, testimonials, and featured products. Adjust blog layout. Look for blog settings to control how posts are displayed. Options might include grid, list, or masonry layouts. You can also set the excerpt, length, and featured image style. Step 6. Adjust widgets and footer. Add and rearrange widgets. Go to the widget section. Depending on your theme, you'll have widget areas like the sidebar, footer, and header. You can add widgets like sidebars, recent posts, and social icons. Customize footer content. Many themes allow you to customize your footer with text, links, or social icons. Look for a footer section in the customizer where you can adjust layout and add widgets like a contact form, about text, or copyright notice. Step 7. Save and publish your changes. The customizer lets you preview your site on desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Check each view to ensure your design looks good across all devices. Save and publish. Once you're happy with your changes, click publish to make them live. Remember, you can always come back and make additional tweaks later. And that's it. You've customized your WordPress theme without any coding. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your website to match your vision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Happy customizing! Bye!